Who invented it? You invented it?
From scratch.
You must be joking.
You know, I don't want to say anything. You see this now. This is a prototype.
Give me like a say.
First, please see the presentation.
Ah, there's a presentation. Right. Can I sit here?
Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Hello, and welcome to Saudi Electricity Company. I am Saudi Electricity Company Robot. My name is Kuraba Robot. I'm here to assist you. I speak in any language you prefer. Which language would you like?
Spanish.
What is your name?
Mi llamo es Muhammad.
Good to meet you, Mohammed. How can I help you?
What's the day is today?
Wednesday, 6th of June 2018. And the current time is 8 a.m.
What's the temperature in Riyadh?
45 Celsius.
What's the temperature in the month?
42 Celsius.
Tell me please about your company.
Saudi Electricity Company is electric utility company. Generates electric power, transmits and distributes them all over Saudi Arabia. Dr. Khaled Saleh Al Sultan is chairman of the board, and engineer Ziad Al Shihab is the president and CEO for SEC.
I want to know my electric bill amount.
Tell your account number, reading from left.
100-271-36902.
100-271-36902. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Your bill amount for June 2018 is 136 Saudi riyals. Pay before due date. Would you like a printout?
Yeah. I need a printout, please.
Oh my
How to
God.
contact in emergency.
Call 933 for emergency. If you need more information, please visit our website www.se.com.sa. Thank you for your visit. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.
وين هذا? What is he?
Saudi Electricity Company.
This is very impressive, huh? MashaAllah.
So this is the plan. We start.
What is the guy?
The guy is under development. This is the head is
How did you? Ah, that was like kind of Photoshop, right?
in video editing.
Video editing.
Special tools.
Yeah, videos.
Just to give the idea how it will work.
طيب, it's excellent.
And this can be
But
used.
can he speak now?
I will show you something.
Okay.
Can be used in Marat and many places.
You will
that.
do it. You will do it. Yes.
So first of all, I will just start. So this is Linux and Python system. This is just a prototype. This is the brain for the whole thing. Welcome message.
Welcome, sir. It's a great honor. As Corporate Communications and PR Vice President, you visited my cubic today.
Thank you.
How can I help you, sir?
You can ask him.
I can ask him. Okay. What is your job? Hello?
I can tell you the latest news about our company. I can perform basic maths. Also, I can tell about date and weather forecast.
Okay. What's the temperature today?
Temperature Riyadh,
It has to be after the tone.
place, city.
Ah,
Yeah, after that.
after the tone. It was
And
very fast.
also you have to specify the which place.
How old is Dominic?
complicated question. It's tough a lot. It's based on the Google, no? See. You ask about
Hey, of course. I know Dominic. He is the one who created me.
My God!
So you never expected this reply.
Oh, nice meeting you, sir.
Who is PR manager? Because the display will come on the screen. Based on sometimes internet.
It's just slow, huh?
Yeah. Because we need fiber optics. Sometimes it is like a Murphy's law. Somebody is here, it is slow. Otherwise, it is very safe. You can see.
Mr. Abdullah Rakif is our manager for Public Relations Department.
MashaAllah.
Who is PR vice president? You can see your picture.
Mr. Hamoud Al-Hubaineh is our vice president for Corporate Communications and Public Relations.
Thank you.
Who is
Ask about generation,
Yes.
transmission.
how many power plants we have?
Sorry, can you repeat it, please?
How many power plants we have? We should not say before the
43 major power plants all over Kingdom.
also technical. Combined cycles. What is combined cycle?
Combined cycle is an assembly of heat engines that work in tandem from the same source of heat, converting it into mechanical energy, which in turn usually drives electrical generators.
Who is the king of Saudi Arabia?
Oh,
Anything general.
MashaAllah.
His Highness King Salman is the King of Saudi Arabia.
لو فكرة محمد الشاشة تصير عليه يد
صح معروف زي اللي في التلفزيون.
Also, suppose you want to know about temperature Dammam, about anything not very.
إذا أعطتنا أوكي نبي نشتري أشياء أعلى دقة.
ايه خلاص توكل على الله. Okay, I'm okay. I'm very impressed. Thank you so much. This is exactly what we aspire and look for in this company. Not a very traditional, conventional way of doing business. Rather, taking it to an advanced level.
Also, see something else about to control the house.
Don't over impress me because I'm already impressed.
شيء بعد.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Sorry, please ask me again.
Go home. Bye.
It will confuse it. Turn on the fan.
God, let me just.
Okay, sure. Fan turned on.
Yeah, wait, let me take something impressive.
كيتشن روم.
هذا موظف عندنا ما شاء الله صنع الروبوت. يلا. Give him orders.
Turn on all lights.
I'm afraid I don't have the right answer. Ask me again.
Turn on all lights. Oops.
Okay, sure. All lights and fans switched on.
Turn off all lights. Internet.
Because of internet.
It's from the cloud actually.
Say that again.
Okay, sure. All lights and fans switched off.
Which order? Anything else that you want to say to them?
Turn on bedroom light.
Okay, sure. Bedroom light turned on.
Turn on kitchen light.
Okay, sure. Kitchen light turned on.
Turn off all lights. See, it will pick up from English.
Sorry, I could not listen properly. Repeat again.
Turn turn off all lights. Oh.
It listens to your.
Okay, sure.
No.
All lights and fans switched
No,
off.
because I'm very close. هذا موظف عندنا ما شاء الله صنع الروبوت قاعد ياخذ اوامر ويتحكم معه. هذا بس طبعا بدايات الدنيا وان شاء الله شغالين على البودي وعلى باقي التولز.